إن الذين يتلون كتاب الله وأقاموا الصلاة وأنفقوا مما رزقناهم سرا وعلانية يرجون تجارة لن تبور. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to back my YouTube channel UAE Education Center for Arabic, Urdu and English Beginner course part 6. Dear friends, almost we have discussed in the 5th part about the body parts name, and now in the 6th part we are going to discuss about the good and bad attributes. So let's start to study. First word in Urdu, Bahadur. Bahadur. Bahadur meaning in Arabic, Shuja'un, Shuja'un, Shuja'un. In English, courageous, 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 courageous. Next word in Urdu, Hassas, Hassas. And Urdu and Arabic, same word, Hassas. And English, sensitive, sensitive, sensitive. Sensitive meaning in Arabic and Urdu, hassas. Next word in Urdu, buzdil, buzdil. Buzdil meaning in Arabic, jubanun, jubanun, jubanun. And English, coward, coward, coward. Next word in Urdu, chust, chust, chust. Arabic and Arabic, nasheet, nasheet, nasheet. And active, active, active. Next word in Urdu, sust, sust, sust. Sust meaning in Arabic, kaslan, kaslan, kaslan. And English, lazy, lazy. Next word in Urdu, sacha, sacha. Sacha meaning in Arabic, sadiq, sadiq, sadiq. And English, honest, honest, honest. Next word in Urdu, jhootha, jhootha, jhootha. Jhootha meaning in Arabic, kazzab, kazzab, kazzab. And English, liar, liar, liar. Next word in Urdu, diyanatdar, diyanatdar, diyanatdar. And Arabic, ameen, 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 ameen. And English, trustworthy, 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 trustworthy. Next word in Urdu, baddiyanat, baddiyanat, baddiyanat. In Arabic, ghayru aminin, ghayru aminin, ghayru aminin. And English, dishonest, dishonest, dishonest. Dishonest honest meaning in Arabic, ghayru aminin. And Urdu, baddiyanat. Dishonest meaning in Arabic, ghayru aminin. And Urdu, baddiyanat. Next word in Urdu, aqalmand, aqalmand, aqalmand. Aqalmand meaning in Arabic, aqil, aqil, aqil. And English, wise, wise, wise. Next word in Urdu, bewaqoof, bewaqoof, bewaqoof. Bewaqoof meaning in Arabic, ahmaq, ahmaq, ahmaq. And English, foolish, foolish, foolish. Next word in Urdu, farma bardar, farma bardar. And Arabic, muti'un, muti'un, muti'un. And English, obedient, obedient, obedient. Next word in Urdu, nafarman, nafarman. Nafarman meaning in Arabic, asin, 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 asin. And English, disobedient, disobedient, disobedient. Next word in Urdu, miyana raw, miyana raw, miyana raw. And Arabic, mu'tadil, mu'tadil, mu'tadil. And English, moderate, 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 moderate. Next word in Urdu, maghrur. Maghrur. Maghrur meaning in Arabic, mutakabbir. 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 And English, arrogant. 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 Word in Urdu, meherban. Meherban. Meherban meaning in Arabic, latifun. 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 And English, kind. 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 Next word in Urdu, sangdil. 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 In Arabic, qasin. 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 And English, merciless. 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 Next word in Urdu, kanjus. Kanjus. Kanjus meaning in Arabic, bakhilun. 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 And English, miser. 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 Next word in Urdu, khush. Khush. Khush meaning in Arabic, masrurun. 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 And English, happy. 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 Next word in Urdu, अच्छी आदत. अच्छी आदत. अच्छी आदत. In Arabic, आदतुन हसनतुन. आदतुन हसनतुन. आदतुन हसनतुन. And English, good habit. Good habit. Good habit. Good habit. Next word in Urdu, बुरी आदत. बुरी आदत. बुरी आदत. बुरी आदत. बुरी आदत meaning in Arabic, आदतुन सय्यअतुन. आदतुन सय्यअतुन. आदतुन सय्यअतुन. आदतुन सय्यअतुन. In English, bad habit. Bad habit. Bad habit. Bad habit. So friends, today's lesson is finished. See you tomorrow with new topic, inshallah. Dear friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and like and comment and share with friends. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.